So let's start solving our today's question number 7 of exercise 9.1. What does the question says? Question says that from a point on the ground, there is a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So see, there is a 20-meter high building, and at the top of this building a tower is there. Okay, so this is a tower which is placed at the top of a building. Okay, so now if you will read the statement again, then you will be able to understand what does the question says. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower, means at the bottom of this transmission tower and at the top of this transmission tower, angles are equal to 45 degree and 60 degree. At the bottom of this tower, this angle is equal to 45 degree, and at the top of this tower, the angle of elevation is equal to 60 degree. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the height of the tower. This height we have to find out. Okay, so how we can do that? So we will take the two triangles and then we will find out this height. Okay, so let us suppose that in triangle, you can see that this is my right angle triangle. Okay, so this is my hypotenuse. If I will take this triangle, then this is going to be my hypotenuse, this is my base, and this is going to be my perpendicular. Okay, so first take this bigger triangle. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC is what? I have to find out the relation between the perpendicular and the base. So which trigonometric ratio will give me this relation? You know that tan theta gives us the relation between perpendicular and the base. So tan, for this bigger triangle ABC, the angle is what? Angle is my 60 degree, which is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is my root 3, and perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my AC and divided by BC. Okay, so if I will do cross multiplication, then what I will get? I will get root 3 BC is equal to AC. So this implies that BC is equal to AC by root 3 meter. Okay, then give this equation as equation number 1. Then in another triangle, in triangle BCD, this smaller one, in which the angle of elevation is given to us equal to 45 degree. So in this triangle again, I know about perpendicular and I have to find out this base. So which trigonometric ratio I can use? I can use the tan tangent is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 45 is what? Tan 45 is 1. Perpendicular is given to me equal to 20, and base is what? Base is my BC. Okay, so what I will get if I will do cross multiplication? BC is equal to 20 meter. So BC is my 20 meter. So if I will put this value in equation number 1, then what I will get? Put the value in equation number 1. So I will get, in place of BC, I can write down 20 is equal to AC by root 3. So by doing cross multiplication, I will get AC is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Do the cross multiplication here. Okay, so AC is equal to 20 root 3. But what I have to find out? So I have got this complete length of the building equal to 20 root 3 meter. But I want to calculate the height of this tower only. So height of the tower will be given by how much? AC minus DC. So I have to find out AD. AD is equal to AC minus DC. So AC is what? AC is my 20 root 3 minus DC is what? DC is my 20. So if I will take 20 as common, then I will get 20 into root 3 minus 1, or I can say that 20 into 1.73 minus 1. So I will get 20 into 0.73 meter, which will give me height of the tower is equal to 14.6 meter. So write down your answer in the exam like this only. Whatever is asked, write that in your answer. So moving to question number 8. Question number 8 says what? A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal. So there is a statue 1.6 meter tall which is standing on the pedestal. Is given to you is that from a point on the ground, so there is any point on the ground, let us say that this point is equal to C. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 meter. So angle of elevation from the top of the statue, at the top of the statue, is given to me equal to 60 degree. Okay, and from the same point the angle of elevation at the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So angle of elevation from this same point is given to us equal to 45 degree. So the question is asking from you that find the height of the pedestal. Okay, so which trigonometric ratio I can use? You know very well that this is my perpendicular, this is my base, and this is my hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio again I have to use for solving this question is that again I will use my tangent, because I want to know the relation between this perpendicular and the base. Okay, so one by one use both the triangles. In the triangle ABC, what is the angle? Angle is 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base. Tan 60 is my root 3 is equal to perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my AB, and base is what? Base is my BC. So if I will do cross multiplication, then what I will get? I will get BC is equal to AB by root 3. Okay, give it as equation number 1. So now if I will use the another triangle, which is what? Which is my triangle PBC. In triangle PBC, tangent 45 degree is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? PB, and this is what? Base is what? BC. So tan 45 is equal to 1 equal to PB by BC. So that means what I will get? I will get PB is equal to BC. So if I will put the value here, so what I will get? I will get PB is equal to AB by root 3. So it is 1/3 of the complete side. So what I can see from the figure that AB, this complete AB is what? This complete AB is AP plus PB. Complete AB is what? AP plus PB. So AP is given to me, which is equal to 160 in place of AB. So from here AB is equal to root 3 PB is equal to AB. Okay, so put the value here. Root 3 PB is equal to 1.6 plus PB. So PB will come to this side and it will get subtracted and I will get 1.6. So if I will take PB as common, then root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So PB into 0.73 will be equal to 1.6. So I will get that PB is equal to 1.6 by 0.73 meter, which is equal to 160 by 73 meter. Okay, so I have to find out this only. That means I have to find out the height of the pedestal. So I can write down my answer as that height of pedestal is equal to 160 by 73 meter. Okay, so in question number 9, what does it says? The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So two things are there, one building is there and one tower is there. So relation is given to you between the top of the building, angle of elevation from the top of the building. Suppose this is my building DC, angle of elevation from the top of the building to the bottom of the tower. So suppose this is my tower DC. So what it is given in the question, that the angle of elevation from the foot of the tower DC to the top of the building is equal to 30 degree. And suppose DC is my tower and AB is my building. Okay, and the elevation, angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is equal to 60 degree. So if the tower is this, DC is given to me equal to 50 meter height, then I have to find out my height of the building. Okay, again I have to use the trigonometric ratio for both the triangles, then I will be able to find out the required value. So what are my two triangles? My two triangles are, my first triangle is in triangle DCB, DBC. In triangle DBC, what is my angle? My angle is 60 degree. Again I have to do the relation between perpendicular and the base. So I can use that tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base, and tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is my root 3, which is equal to perpendicular is what? 50, and I have to find out the base. Okay, so if I will do cross multiplication, then I will get that my base is equal to 50 by 3 meter, or I can say that my BC is equal to 50 by root 3. Okay, so now next in another triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tangent ABC, angle is what? Angle is my 30 degree, which is equal to perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my AB and base is my BC. Okay, so I know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, and AB I have to find out, and BC we have derived in the previous question, which is equal to 50 by root 3. Okay, so if I will do cross multiplication here, then what I will get? 50 will come to this side and root 3 will be multiplied by this root 3. Then root 3 by root 3 will be equal to 3. So AB is equal to 50 by 3 meter. So that means I can write down my answer as height of the building is equal to 50 by 3 meter. Okay.